Hello beautiful people and welcome to Bomb Kiss TV. So today we are working with Julia Hair. We have partnered with them again. I've seen them on this channel before. They always have amazing wigs. This is their curly red auburn. It came really big. Did a little bit of manipulation to it, but I think it came out absolutely amazing. If you are not comfortable with defining curls, this video is for you because I have like a super easy way to explain it that makes it very doable even for beginners. So don't be afraid of the curly wigs. If you want to define your wigs and have them curly like that, super defined, then this is the video for you. If you want to do some face framing bangs, then this is the video for you, okay? So sit back, get ready to watch me install. And thank you again, Julia Hair. And yeah, if you like to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. So let's get into this Julia Hair unit. I'm gonna see me unbox it. I have not seen the wig yet, haven't plucked it, haven't done nothing because I want to see what it looks like fresh out the box. Hey beauty, your happiness and satisfaction are at the top of our priorities. That's sweet. This is what your wig will come in. And we got some goodies, of course. We got an edge band, a wig cap, and these are the super thin like HD deluxe wig caps. Ultra stretch material. These are pretty much the only ones I use now. And then we have this bag which has another edge band, another pack of wig caps, and then a makeup brush, which this is so cute because you guys, you most likely, not always, but sometimes will need to put like a little eyeshadow on your lace just for a more of a blending effect. Not mandatory. This is what she comes in. This bag right here. Let's open her up. And fresh out the box, she is giving customized. She is giving plucked, very thorough. Baby hairs part, not bleached. I love this so far. That is what you call a nice customized hairline. Okay, as you guys can see, the lace is already cut as well, so I will not need scissors for this unit. Let's go ahead and put her on. But she also has an adjustable band, and this right here is like a grip material that grips onto your head to make sure that it's snug. This is very important, especially with the glueless units. If you don't have this adjustable band, then it will be kind of harder to make your unit glueless, but they have it, so that's good. And then the back of the wig also has a comb if you want to do some extra security. So far so good. I'm just gonna run my fingers through it just to give it some volume. And then with these units, I like to make like a little bang in the front. Can also use like a wide tooth comb just to give her some volume. So I'm gonna go through and pick it out as much as I can. And then I'm gonna go through and frame my face. Okay, before I cut it, I'm gonna turn to the back and let you guys see how full it is. Very full, very full. Now, like I said, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some face framing layers. I don't wanna really do too much of this. I might do like some hairspray, but that's it. Now, this is going to be like a shortcut way of making your curls look defined but still leaving the volume in there. So what you want to do is, after we picked it out and we got it all big, you're going to need three things. You're going to need a conditioner, a water bottle, and some type of oil. It doesn't matter what type of oil it is. This is vitamin E oil, but any type of oil. So we've got our volume, we've got it how big we want. Now I'm gonna part it in two and decide which pieces I'm going to define, right? So I know that, first of all, let's frame it. So I know I want to cut this like right here, first layer. And then I know I want to cut out here just a little bit. See how we're creating like a little, and then right here like a little bit. I'm not the best with layers, but we're gonna get it done. Okay, so now that we've got that out the way, now I'm gonna take these and cut this right here even shorter to like right here. So now we officially have our bangs to the situation. So the first thing we're gonna do is take it, spray both sides, the parts that you're gonna define, and then we wanna drop a little bit of oil. Now you could do this all over your head, but I'm only gonna do it on a few pieces. Just a little bit of oil. Now this smells good, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over. So what you're gonna do is get you some conditioner and run it through the hair that you're gonna define, which we're defining our bangs. So you're gonna take the bang, see how the curl is right there, and finger curl it. Okay, that's it. So you're gonna take it, give it a finger curl. That's it. And you can do this as much as you like, to as many pieces as you like. I still want mine to have some volume, so I'm not gonna do it to my whole head, but I am gonna do it to a few pieces. So I'm about to do this and I'll be right back. Okay, so just to show you guys the difference, this side is all the way finger coiled. I have not blow dried it yet, but as you can see, the curls are super defined. The back, you can pretty much do only the top ones, which is why you see this is regular, but you want to grab the pieces that will be sticking out the most, especially in the bang area, and that's what's going to help give you the definition and face frame that you want. This side has been cut a little bit, but as you can see, this doesn't have this. This side TLC, this side raw. Both sides cute, but there is a distinct difference in this look. So what I'm gonna do is finish the other side and blow dry and come back to you guys. I just wanted to show you the difference in case you're like, I'm not gonna sit there and do all of that to each individual thing. If you do some of them in the front and then some of them on top, you ain't gotta do the whole head. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I have blow dried, I have finger coiled and defined the curls. I have changed so you guys can see the wig a little bit better because I had on black and it was kind of like blending in. But yeah, this is the final look and it is so freaking cute. It's giving fall, it's giving winter, and it's so full. I think that's one of the things I like about this wig the most, is that it's so full. And so cute. So it is actually date night, so this was perfect. Yesterday, I was filming another wig, same thing, okay? And he walked in the house and he said, oh, you look so cute. You look so cute. But I love this. I did cut it a little bit, but I feel like it just looked better layered in face framing versus it all being the same length. So do not be afraid to pull out those scissors and give it a little ch-ch-ch. I am no professional with the layers, okay? You could probably find imperfections if you look hard enough, but that does not matter because it still is cute and I still look good. No, but seriously, thank you so much, Julia Hair, for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're interested in this wig, make sure you check out the description box below. And they also have a lot of like holiday and winter sales coming up. So guys, make sure you check out the description box, okay? Don't be afraid. Look at that. Y'all, I didn't put no nothing on it. No spray, no nothing. I didn't do the edges. And then the parting space is good, okay? I be scared to bleach knots on colored wigs, so I'm so glad that they already did this for me, because I was not looking forward to trying to do that. Because sometimes the wigs can turn orange if you try and bleach them yourself. So luckily we did not have to worry about that. Scale 1 to 10, I give this wig a 10, okay? Thanks so much again for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in the next video.